Yes. One better. 485. Boom, baby. 489. 2 fours in a row. What the heck? Yes, 487. I'll take it. Crap. Boom, boom. Holy crap. 472 with the pseudo slot. Oh, boom, baby. 489. Yes. Oh, boom, baby. 484. 484. Oh, boom, baby. 491. Yes. Yes. 491. Again. Ooh, 476. Yes. 490. I'll take it. Oh, 487. I'll take it. Ooh. Boomber, 495. 2 fours in a row. Wow. Oh, 427. I'll take it. Boom, baby. Ooh. Here's a 472 reconstruction of Friday fours. I see this pair of green. I did green cross. And I see this. What it is that pair. This one, orange. And then I did L. And I insert pair. Instead of doing this, what I did is this. I can have this pair. These two. And then instead of doing this and then waste it, I also did this. So I have a pseudo slot. And then this. And yellow. Yep. There you have it. Here you have a 427 fixed, and just to have this, okay, this is a 427 Reconstruction Scramble. What I had, this pair, and then before I did this, I had to insert here, and then I had to push this out of the way to have these three, and I hit this, and then what I did, instead of doing this, I did this, so I could see the pseudo slotting here. The pseudo slotting pair here was I did this, and then I see this. What I did is insert, because I had that pair, I did this to insert here. And then the next was I did these two, was this, and then this thing. You see, I did this, I did that. So, and then all that was this. There you have it.